Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Alka. Today I have brought to you a unique flavor of pancake recipe called podo pitha. It's a traditional dish made specially during Raja festival in Odisha. Podo pitha is a slow cooked pancake whose crust is slightly burnt and is very soft inside and has a unique taste. It is believed to be most favorite pancake of Lord Jagannatha. So friends, let's get started with this unique delicious podo pitha recipe. Before that, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get immediate notification of my video as soon as I upload it. I have taken 1 cup of each split dhuli urad dal and dosa rice. If you don't have dosa rice, you can take any rice you use to make dosa or idli batter. Wash it 2 to 3 times with water and add water for soaking. Add 1/4 tablespoon of fenugreek or methi seeds. Cover it and keep it for soaking for at least 4 to 5 hours. If you are using normal or thick rice, then soak it for at least 5 to 6 hours. After 5 hours of soaking, urad dal and rice are properly soaked. Now time to blend it. Blend it using very minimal amount of water. It should be like idli batter consistency. Batter is ready. I will just mix it in one direction for 2 to 3 minutes and keep it for fermentation either overnight or 6 to 8 hours. Friends, if you want more details on idli batter recipe, then you can check my another video which link I have provided in the description box. Let's check out the other ingredients. I have taken 1 cup of jaggery, 5 to 6 tablespoons of ghee, 1 cup of grated coconut, 1 cup of chopped coconut I have cut into long slices, and 1 cup of homemade cottage cheese. The recipe link you can find in the description box. 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. For garnishing, few raisins, cherry, cashew nuts, 1 bay leaf and half inch of ginger. Let's make the podo pitha stuffing. For that, take a pan and heat 1 tablespoon of ghee. Roast cashews and coconut until light golden brown. Roasting cashews and coconut will add more taste to the podo pitha. Do it only on low flame to avoid burning. There are 2 varieties of podo pitha. One is made of only rice flour and another is one with mix of urad dal and rice that I am preparing now, and I will use pressure cooker to make it. Cashews are almost roasted. Adding raisins and roast it until it is puffed off. It is done. Take out from the pan. Normally podo pitha is made out of rice, urad dal and jaggery and some dry fruits. In same pan, add jaggery and let it melt down completely. If your jaggery is very hard and you find it difficulty in melting, add little amount of water. Now jaggery is melted. Adding 1/4 teaspoon of elaichi powder or cardamom powder and black pepper powder and bay leaf. Mix everything together. Next, add the grated coconut and mix it well. Pinch of salt to balance the sweetness. Finally, add the cottage cheese or chena and mix it and fry it until it becomes dry. The mixture is ready. Keep it aside and let it cool down. Let's check the batter. I have kept it overnight and it is nicely fermented. Now adding ginger, half teaspoon of cardamom powder, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, 2 tablespoons of jaggery. You can add more jaggery up to half cup to get brownish color. Then 2 tablespoons of stuffing I want less sweetness, so added only 2 tablespoons of jaggery. Salt to taste. Mix it well to get a smooth consistency like a cake batter consistency. Make sure there is no lumps. Move your hand in one direction at least for 5 minutes. The batter is ready. Now time to transfer it to the pressure cooker. Preheat the pressure cooker for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame and add 4 to 5 tablespoons of ghee. Add good amount of ghee which will help to demold the cake easily. Grease the ghee throughout the cooker thoroughly as the cake will rise up while cooking. First transfer 2 to 3 ladles of batter and then spread the stuffing. Do this process only on low flame. If it takes more time, turn up the flame until you are done. Make sure cooker should not be cooled down completely. Spread some coconut slices, cashews and raisins. Spread remaining batter. Then the stuffing. And on top decorate with coconut slices, raisins, cashews. Finally some cherries. These cherries are optional. You can skip it. Then cover the lid and make sure there is no whistle and gasket. Cook on low to medium flame for 30 to 40 minutes. The podo pitha is ready. It took total 30 minutes for me. Check it by the help of knife or skewer. The skewer is clean, that means cake is cooked properly from the inside. Let it cool down completely before demold. I have taken out the podo pitha from the cooker by the help of knife and hand. And you can see it has come out so well. Delicious Roger special podo pitha is ready to be served. I will cut it and show you how it looks from the inside. It looks very tasty to me. I hope you also like it. So why to wait for? Make it at home and celebrate your Rogers. I hope you like this video. Please hit the like button and share this video with your family and friends. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notification of new upcoming videos. Do check out my channel for new interesting recipes. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Till then, goodbye.